Ever pondered how to make money on Upwork with zero experience? That's the question on the minds of many, and today, we're diving into the answer. First off, understanding the platform is crucial. Upwork, for those who don't know, is a global freelancing platform where businesses and independent professionals connect and collaborate remotely. It's a marketplace for skills, and everyone's invited. So how do you, an individual with zero experience, step into this world? Let's break it down. Step 1. Build an impressive profile. Think of your profile as your storefront. It's the first thing potential clients see. Highlight your skills, your education, and anything else that makes you stand out. Remember, you're selling yourself here, so make it count. Step 2. Create a compelling proposal. This is your pitch to potential clients. Show them why they should hire you. Be concise, be persuasive, and above all, be genuine. Step 3. Set competitive rates. Pricing is always a tricky subject, especially when you're starting. You want to set a rate that's fair to both you and your clients. Do some research, see what others in your field are charging, and find a middle ground. Step 4. Deliver quality work. This is the most crucial step. Once you land a job, it's all about delivering top-notch work. It's your ticket to positive reviews, repeat clients, and ultimately, more work. Step 5. Build your reputation. As you complete more jobs and gather positive feedback, your reputation on the platform grows. This reputation is your key to attracting more clients and securing higher-paying gigs. Step 6. Withdraw your earnings. Upwork offers several ways to do this, including direct deposit, PayPal, and wire transfer. Choose the one that works best for you and enjoy the fruits of your labor. So to recap, build an impressive profile, create a compelling proposal, set competitive rates, deliver quality work, build your reputation, and finally, withdraw your earnings. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to making money on Upwork, even with zero experience. It's not about where you start, but how you grow. And remember, everyone starts somewhere. It's the first step that counts. So why not take it today? And with that, we wrap up today's guide. Here's hoping it brings you a step closer to your freelancing dreams. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing boundaries.